Do you know how to fix your stripped set screws when you're trying to put in your speed gears? It is always frustrating that these things are always over Loctited and strip on you, even when you use good tools, because the hardware they use is absolute crap. But I have an answer for you that's going to make your life so much better. Let me show you my secret trick on how to get those set screws out. This comes from many, many years of building race cars, inside cool knowledge that I'm going to share with you. First thing we're going to do is apply a lot of heat to make sure that any Loctite that's in there is dissolved, basically. It isn't working anymore to hold this in. This is where the magic happens. These look like drill bits, but they're not regular drill bits. These are called left-handed drill bits, meaning they spin in the opposite direction. As this drill bit spins, instead of tightening, it's going to be in a loosening motion, like that. So if it grips it all to this head, if it grips it all, it's going to start unwinding it and pull it out right as we're drilling it out. So what do you say we give this a shot and see if I can impress you? Okay, we want it to turn left hand, right? So that would be unscrewing this screw. You ready? Here we go. How it is now caught on the end of the drill bit and backed all the way out. We should be able to pop this thing right off now. Go. And see how the set screw backed out? And all it took was this turning action. Let's see if I could get it to do it in my hand. Ready? See it? See it? See it coming out? See, because the drill, this left-handed drill, is pulling, unwinding it while it's drilling it out. And look, it is perfect, ready to go if I wanted to put it back in. But let's try it on one more just to make sure it works. Start with the heat. Here we go. Going up in size. Okay, everything is set up for speed now. I got them all changed and I had about the results one might expect. This isn't a guarantee every time. So on this big old gear, you can see the set screw is still on the drill bit, which pulled it out perfectly from here. I didn't have the same success. I just ended up having to drill it out, but the drill bits work fine for drilling it out. So either way, you're gonna get the job done, but sometimes it's gonna do it so nice and easy for you. How cool is that? I hope this was helpful. You now know this will work on your car, this works on things in the house, this works on your RC cars. I included links below for all of the tools I used in this video. These left-handed drill bits are absolutely the inside tip for removing stripped hardware. Absolutely unbelievable, amazing. 10 years building race cars taught me this, and I have now shared it with you. If this was helpful, remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit that hype feature here on YouTube, because I always try to include these cool insider tricks which you want to know. Hope this was helpful. See you in the next video.